The next thing we're going to do, hopefully by now you've collected some fodder, and I just actually collected this from a Trader Joe's bag today, but in your back here you might have some different fodder that you've collected. And if you don't have any, now's the time to start looking for some, because I want you to start gluing some in. We're going to use our glue stick, and I want you to glue it in a way that interacts with the things already on the page. So for example here, I have this page here. I'm going to go through my fodder and see maybe what colors work. That is similar color. Or maybe I just want to see like some images that I like. And like I like this image. I'm going to tear this here. You want to think about what material it's made out of. So for example, this is shiny from like a box. So if I put this down, I won't be able to watercolor over it, which is fine with me. But maybe I want to later. Maybe I want to put some more layers of that on. So I think you have to just kind of think about that. So I definitely know I want to glue some of that down, and I liked this because it matched the colors of that. So I want you to just take this time and go through and put in some fodder. You don't have to put in every little last piece. I would definitely suggest doing tearing. And you can see I've already done right here. So a lot of times with fodder, I just wrap it around the edge. So this one would be a good one. So I'm going to take it here, and then I'm going to wrap it one of the ways around the edge here. So it kind of becomes part of both pages. So I'll do that now. And later on, at the end of this week, we're going to turn in all of these pages and what we've done to them so far. So if you need to catch up, make sure you do that today or tomorrow during your asynchronous time. So by Friday you have caught up. So I'm going to put this right at the bottom here. Fold it over. The other side. Okay, so I want you to glue down some of your fodder on your pages. I have here this circle, so what might be nice is if I cut out some circles of my fodder and glue it down. And you can do that with anything, like maybe I'll just do it with the Taco Time one instead. So I can use something to trace to make my circle. And then it might be easier to cut out if I traced it. So I'm going to just let you guys watch me work, and you guys can work at the same time too, gluing down some fodder in your journal. Not every single page, not all your fodder, just some. So I just wanted to flip back through and show you. I glued this down here. Like I was saying, I'm not putting a lot in the centers yet. I do have some fodder wrapped around the edge here. And then I put this fodder wrapped around the edge here. And then my cutout. And I love that Taco Time has a little Washington symbol on it, so I put that there. And the word time. And this one, I don't know, this is compostable. So that was the fodder that I put in my journal so far.